Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger.
Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to review Geojit BNP Paribas. This is a full service stock broker. In this review, we will be talking about company background, pricing, brokerage, customer service, trading platforms, trading products, exposure and a lot of other factors so that you can figure out whether Geojit BNP Paribas is a suitable stock broker for you or not. Let's get started. So, Geojit BNP Paribas is a full-service stock broker. Very recently, BNP Paribas has ceased to work with Geojit. So, as of now, it is called Geojit Financial Services. It was launched in the year 2001. As of now, they've got around 500 offices across. Around 11 कौन बोलेगा? So, another full-service stock broker, Geojit BNP Paribas, was launched in the year 2001. Recently, BNP Paribas has ceased working with Geojit, so it is now called as Geojit Financial Services. In India, they've got around 511 franchise offices across different parts of the country. And for the year 2017, they've got around 1.6 lakh active client base. They provide you a decent customer service. The pricing is also reasonable. But when it comes to research, when it comes to recommendations and reports, the quality, the accuracy is questionable. First up, we have trading products. Well, you can trade and invest across equity, currency, derivatives, IPOs and mutual funds. So there is a limited set here. We have seen full service stock brokers with 8 to 10 to 15 investment products. But in this case of Geojit Financial Services, they are around 5. So in case you're looking to trade in commodities or insurance, then in that particular case, you might need to find some other financial house to get your account opened. If you talk about trading platforms, they've got presence across multiple devices. We'll talk one by one. We'll start with the mobile app, and for that we need to check out Google Play Store. So the mobile app of Geojit is called Selfie Mobile. It is rated at 3.5, way below than the industry average by around 3,470 users. Out of that, 28.5% of the clients have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score stands at around 71.5%. Again, pretty low number. If you look at the stats here, the last update was done on 20th of June 2017. We're recording this video in the first week of July. So it's been good 2 weeks that this app has seen an update. Generally, in the case of Geojit, they update their mobile app in the range of 6 to 7 weeks, which can also be improved. Number of installs are good, 1 to 5 lakh. So from numbers perspective, it gives an average feeling. The way they have done is, the way they marketed the mobile app is good, but in actual execution, the overall performance, overall usability of the application is questionable. So as of now, we will not be able to recommend you to do your trading using this mobile application. There are few concerns that Geojit needs to take care of, and once they are, we will be coming up with an updated review. Let's check out the other trading platforms, and hopefully they've got much better performance as compared to the mobile app. To check out the other trading platforms, we need to check out digitalblogger.com. So Geojit has a terminal-based software called Geojit BNP Paribas Selfie Platinum. Now this application is required to be downloaded and installed onto your computer and laptop. It's relatively bulky in size, but definitely gives you decent performance and good user experience. There are multiple features. You can customize and personalize different screen layouts and widgets within those screens. Then you can trade across multiple segments here. The fund transfer process is available on a very easy mode. It can be done within 2 clicks. And then you can do AMO aftermarket orders are allowed to be placed using this trading platform. All in all, it's a decent performing trading application and certainly a recommendable software. Then we have a web-based browser application. This does not require any download or install. It is lightweight in nature, it is responsive. That would mean you can use it across any particular device, be it a computer, laptop, desktop, mobile or a tablet. You won't have any concern whatsoever using this application. Then technical and fundamental analysis, there are multiple features for that. There are heat maps, there are screeners, there are different charting functionalities. to go along with market indicators. So overall, again, it's a decent performing web-based terminal application, and you can use it for your trading. We've already discussed about the mobile app, which needs to have a fix over on some of the issues that were highlighted. Other than that, the web-based application and the terminal software, both of them are recommendable softwares, and you can use it for your trading on a regular basis. Moving here, if we talk about pricing, well, to open an account with Geojit BNP, you need to pay 425 rupees. Pretty reasonable as we talk about the context of full service stockbrokers. Maintenance fees is actually zero. So be it a trading account or the demat account, you do not need to pay any AMC annual maintenance charges to the stockbroker. And then we have brokerage at 0.3% for delivery. In other segments, we need to go back to digitalblogger.com. So as you can see here, 0.3% for delivery, 0.03 for equity intraday, equity futures and currency futures. Equity options is at 125 rupees per contract. Now overall, the broker is reasonable in pricing, but when it comes to option trading, well, it's pretty expensive at 125 rupees per contract. There are stockbrokers that charge you even less than 50 rupees per contract on a basis, but Geojit certainly looks much more expensive. So it really depends on the kind of segment you are looking to trade in. If you're looking to trade in options, well, Geojit is not a recommendable software as far as your pocket is concerned. Then this is pricing. Now next up we have transaction charges. So transaction charge is something which is again a percentage on top of your trading capital or trading amount. And in case of Geojit, it's pretty nominal in nature. There are values, there are ranges that are prescribed by the regulatory bodies, and the values charged by Geojit are within that range. So you will feel safe. The overall charges for transaction level are pretty much reasonable in nature. No issues on that aspect. Then we have exposure or leverage. For people who don't understand the concept, basically it's kind of a short-term loan offered by your stockbroker at a specific interest rate. Now in case of Geojit, you get it up to 10 times for intraday. That basically means if you have a trading account balance of 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 1 lakh for equity intraday segment. In other areas, you can see on the screen that exposure is not provided by Geojit across the segments, which is really disappointing. It's a trustable brand, and it doesn't really allow its clients to exploit the usage of the trading capital and gain much more returns. But that's the way it is, and if you're looking to have high exposure, then we will recommend you to use some other stockbroker services. Geojit is certainly going to disappoint you on that aspect. Then there is research. Well, it is a full service stockbroker, so certainly definitely provides you all kinds of recommendations and reports across different segments. It really depends on, again, the kind of segment you're looking to put your money into. Equity, mutual funds, currency and IPO analysis, all kinds of reports are mailed SMS to you on a regular basis. You can also check out these recommendations and tips within your trading application. But when it comes to accuracy, when it comes to performance of these research reports, well, Geojit definitely has a long way to improve. It is work in progress as of now, but trusting these reports as it is, it's going to be a little difficult to recommend. We would suggest you that if you are going to open an account with Geojit, or you are a client of Geojit already, make sure that you perform your own analysis on top of the recommendations provided by Geojit, and only then, once you've validated and confirmed the tips provided by the full service stockbroker, only then put your money into the stock market. Otherwise, it is certainly going to be pretty risky. So that is research for you. Then next up we have customer service. Within customer service, there are multiple communication channels opened up by Geojit. You have offline branches in the range of 500 plus. Email support, they have a web form. In fact, they've got a support portal just for customer service resolutions. They've got a toll-free number and a phone support setup too. So number of communication channels are pretty wide in nature, be it offline customer service or online service. They've got it covered. At the same time, they keep a close eye on the turnaround time. It basically is that how much time does the executive takes to complete or to get back with the resolution of the query or the concern raised by you. So they've got a close eye on that particular aspect again. Quality of resolutions, the mode of communication, at the same time the tone of communication is also good. So certainly Geojit is one of those full service stockbrokers that provide you decent customer service with utmost satisfaction. So if customer service is one of the biggest areas you're looking for, Geojit is the key for you. Finally, let's talk about the positives and negatives of opening an account with Geojit BNP. We'll start with the negatives first. So, brokerage is generally nominal in nature, but when it comes to option trading, Geojit BNP Paribas is one of the most expensive one in the stock market. You cannot trade in a commodity segment. The mobile app needs to work upon some of the areas that need immediate attention from a full service stockbroker here. Exposure is one big concern. Apart from equity intraday, you do not get to use any exposure, any leverage value across other segments. Research quality can be improved. As of now, it's pretty low in nature. When we talk about positives, well, the full service stockbroker has been around for a while now. It's been good 16 years since its establishment. So the trust factor is there. The web-based browser application and the terminal software are decent performing. As far as user experience of these applications is concerned, it has also been taken care of. So definitely recommendable softwares. Customer service, definitely one of the good points of this stockbroker again. Now, it really depends on the kind of preferences you have, and based on that, you can make a choice whether to go with Geojit or not. If you want to have a word with the executive of this full service stockbroker, what you can do is check out this link, digitalblogger.com/Geojit BNP Paribas open demat account. Put in your details there and we will be setting up a call back with the stockbroker for you. However, if you want a full service stockbroker or a discount broker that matches exactly with your requirements, or you want our advice, our assistance in selecting the most suitable stockbroker for you, you can check out this other link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details, put in your preferences, and we will be setting up a callback absolutely free. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much again for watching the video. Bye.